La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Right now what you're washing here, this much soil has nearly 8 to 10 billion organisms. 71% of the world's land is under agriculture. You can take your land, plow every inch of it, turn it into a desert in 10 years' time, nobody to tell you why are you doing this. So, we are striving to get the policy change that if you have agricultural land, you must have 3 to 6% organic content. We are in a cusp of time, our generation is in a cusp of time. If we do the right things now, in the next 10 to 15 years, we can make a significant turnaround. This is why this movement right now, eating up the soil that belongs to the unborn child, which I think is criminal. We must stop this.
Profound but real. If we have to make sure that our children survive and the thought of unborn child survive, I think we need to be responsible today.
More responsible.
Save soil, let us make it happen.